The first case of Zika for this year is now confirmed in Cameron County. Health officials tell us it's travel related. Someone contracted the virus just across our border. Channel 5's Daisy Martinez spoke with health officials today. She's live from our Cameron County newsroom with more. Daisy.
Carrie, health officials tell us it was a woman who travels back and forth from Brownsville to Matamoros who tested positive. They say that's just a way of life in our border region, and now so is Zika. Traveling back and forth into Matamoros is a way of life for Brenda Ortega. She's well aware of the Zika virus.
He escuchado que es una enfermedad que anda, es muy viral, donde quiera se está.
Ortega says it's not enough to keep her from visiting Mexico.
La verdad no, ya está de Dios a quien le dé.
Felicia Bocanegra tells us her brother in San Luis Potosí, Mexico, contracted the virus. She keeps it in mind when she travels into Mexico.
Pues, algo, algo, sí, algo.
Cameron County Health Administrator Esmeralda Guajardo says a routine trip across the border is how the latest person contracted the virus. It's the first confirmed case for Cameron County this year, and it's classified as travel related.
People are starting to let their guard down, and that's something that's our biggest concern. Because Zika is still there. Mexico has a large number of cases that they're reporting.
Guajardo says this now brings the total to 58 people who tested positive for the virus in the past 3 years. Only 7 cases have been locally contracted. It may be just the first case this year, but she knows it won't be the last.
Still new. Zika is still being looked at, although there's a lot of information that we learned throughout the years, but it's still new. And I think also for public health departments, it teaches us a lot about our response efforts. What is it that we need to do? What is it that we still need to be able to address an emerging public health threat?
She adds people should be proactive and get tested when they experience red eyes, a rash, body aches, and fever. Guajardo says moving fast to detect the virus could be key to saving a life. Guajardo tells us the number of people getting tested is also down. She says it can cost up to several $100s to get tested, but she says if that's the concern, people can always go to a Cameron County clinic to get their test. Live from the Cameron County newsroom, Daisy Martinez, Channel 5 News at 6.
The first locally acquired case of the Zika virus was reported back in 2016. This is a Channel 5 News Extra. November of 2016, a Brownsville woman with no travel history to Mexico or any other country with a Zika outbreak tested positive. In 2016, there was a total of 33 cases reported in Cameron County. In 2017, a total of 24 cases were reported in Cameron County, and in 2018, one so far travel related.